Recently, Aruba made international headlines when a tourist was lost at sea during a kite surfing lesson. Now, an ATV vehicle collision that took place on the island has been used as an example for all tourists to take out travelers insurance. Take a look at this story covered by a CBS affiliate.
A Raleigh woman and her friend hope to return home tonight after a dream vacation turned into a nightmare.
An accident left them stranded in a hospital in Aruba. WRAL's Ariel Clay joins us with the warning they have for all travelers. Ariel?
Well, Deborah and David, you know, so many people come here to the airport looking forward to a trip afar, somewhere where they can relax. But not all the time do people's plans go as they expected. And there is a way to prepare just in case that happens to you.
Kenya Dukes and Dina Kennedy spoke to WRAL from a bed in an Aruban hospital.
We thought we were coming just for 4 days to lay in the sun, and that's just not what happened.
While there to celebrate Kennedy's 35th birthday, the two went on an ATV tour. But in this video the women found online, you can see the frightening results of that excursion.
I was thrown off. I hit my hip on the ground and I rolled.
Kennedy's pelvis was broken, and then the medical bills started racking up.
What we didn't realize is that I can't get on a plane. I can't sit up.
Meaning she'd need an air ambulance. The cost, $34,000. Add $22,000 for the hospital bill, and the women found themselves coming up short.
Where here on the Aruba side, they won't accept the insurance.
It's not uncommon for travelers to find themselves in foreign lands with unexpected medical expenses, travel agent Nicole Bass says.
Your medical insurance normally does not cover you when you leave the country.
Bass recommends clients traveling internationally should always buy medical insurance. She says expect it to cost 10% of your total trip.
And if you're willing to pay what the package costs, really what's another 10%?
These two completely agree.
Always have travel insurance. Do not leave the country. Don't go to Canada. Don't go anywhere. Don't go to Virgin Islands. Nowhere without travel insurance.
And the two women definitely are trying to stay positive there. Bass says that some companies calculate medical travel insurance by using your age and also the cost of your trip. And in the last 15 to 20 minutes, I was able to speak to one of the women. They say it still looks like they will not be able to make it home tonight. They just still cannot get all of the funds that they need. Deborah and David?
At least they can laugh a little bit about it now.
Glad to see the tourists recovering. Hopefully they can generate enough funds to go home safely.